Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to print a picture from Pinterest on your PC. First, just open Pinterest like this and then just log in into your account. And then just search for the picture that you want to print. For example, in here, I want to print this picture. And then just click the picture that you want to choose and then after that just tap on this more actions button, this one, and then just tap on the download image like this, and then just open the image. And then in here, if you are using Windows 11, the default image viewer should have a print options, this one. Just click on it and then just choose your printer and settings that you want, and then just click print, this one. And that's it, your printer's picture should now be print. And alternatively, you can also insert the download image into Microsoft Word first, and then adjust its size or positions, and then just print it from Word. And so that's how you can easily print picture from Pinterest using your PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.